Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is profound. It is pronounced profound and spelt P-R-O-F-O-U-N-D. Think pro and then found. Profound means something that is very deep and meaningful. It's something insightful and thought-provoking. For example, you could say, the speech was profound and thought-provoking, or the song had some very profound lyrics that touched my heart. The word profound comes from the Latin word profundus, which means deep or abysmal. Today, it means specifically deep in a meaningful manner rather than literally deep, such as deep water. In the animated TV show, Avatar, The Last Airbender, the main character Aang's story to understand and master the four elements of the world, water, fire, earth, and air, is a profound and transformative experience. The trials he faces change him and the way he sees the world. How profound. Synonyms for profound include deep, meaningful, insightful, and thought-provoking. Antonyms for profound are shallow, superficial, and insignificant. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, profound. Have a profound day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.